Next up, Highland. In this, I'll be showing you the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates as well. It's located in this area right over here. Level 21 recommended. Let's do it. So first, activating the rift anchor over here, marked on the map. Okay, so first of all, head across to this building in the middle right over here, and we'll need to get onto the roof right over here. So first of all, hop onto this car, then up onto the roof, and over here you'll find the gear crate. Then the mystic crate you'll find all the way on top of this building over here. So across to here, we'll need to get up onto the roof. There's a couple of ways that we can do this. The easiest way is up the staircase, then up the door onto the roof here, and we can head across all the way, defeating the sniper, to this over here. This is the mystical crate. Grabbing it, there you go. And that's what we got in it. Next up is the weapon crate. You'll find this directly north from this building, right over here inside of this building. So we'll head down and in here, then towards the back right, after clearing out the AI, you'll see on top of the counter over here, the weapon crate. Fantastic. With that, we've now completed the Highland area. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.